Out of what's coming, that is the storm that's coming this way. You can see it's heaviest now just to the southwest of Fort Wayne. Remember, we put the blue tints in here to kind of show you the heavier snow. That's the batch that moves in a little bit later on and probably targets the southern part of our area more than the northern part that's going to get started first and then have a little lighter snow overall. So locally on the radar, you'll see what's going on now. We let this run along for Futurecast. It comes in from the southwest and takes over pretty widespread by 10, 11 o'clock, even by 8, 9 o'clock in most areas. And again, you notice the deeper, darker blues and purples here, a little heavier, so heavy around the metro area than farther to the north. We let it run in the middle of the night, a bit scattered, broken here and there for a while, kind of reforms again. It'll be with us through the rush hour and then also through Thursday night and Friday, bits and pieces, but we're going to concentrate on this timing into the early morning hours. So winter weather advisory, 8 p.m. to 4 a.m., northern suburbs of Metro Detroit down to the south through the Ohio border. Not as much snow overall in the northern areas up around I-69, 1 to 2 there. That's why you don't have the advisory, but you get some snow. It takes longer to get to you late this evening in the overnight hours as well. By the time we get to 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, finish up the rush hour, 2 to 3 inches on the ground through Livingston, Oakland, Macomb counties, and then around Detroit, Wayne County, Ann Arbor, Washtenaw County, down through Lenawee, Monroe County. More common to have 3 to maybe even 4 inches in some spots. Most of this will be snow. There might be a little bit of freezing drizzle at times, but it'll fall on top of the snow that's already there. So that doesn't impact the roads too terribly much. Could get another inch during the day on Thursday. More likely in the afternoon than the late morning hours. Could get another inch Thursday night as well, and still some snow showers left over here on Friday, so it kind of works its way through and slows down. This evening, snow taking over from the southwest, so use some caution as you get started there. And it looks like it's going to be an issue overnight for travel and also for the morning. It's not tons and tons of snow, but it's still going on during the rush hour, so look for snow-covered roads there. 28 in Detroit right now. Ypsi's the warmest at 30 with Flint. Most spots in the upper 20s. Not a whole lot of drop here, but there'll be a little bit of that as we go along. Until 7 a.m. with the wind shaping up from the northeast here. Lakeshore flood advisory from Monroe County. Wind could gust to 25. Lakeshore erosion and wave action there is going to be tough for some flooding. This evening, snow moves in from the southwest. You saw it on the radar there. Takes over tonight. Pretty steady stuff. 25 for a low and 30 tomorrow. Snow is thickest early during the rush hour. Then there'll still be some snow showers around. The wind's picking up a little bit too from the northeast at 10 to 20. Snow chances still here on Friday. Again next week on Tuesday and Wednesday. Right now we might be able to squeak out